Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now select System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to tap on Theme section, scroll down, and click on Show More. This way you can see all available ones. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders by tapping on this switcher and select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking on it. Okay, it doesn't seem to work, so I will click on gallery icon and pick my photo from here. Now you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and manage key borders by tapping on this switcher. Then select Apply, and as you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!